Let's do it!
Mid.
Let's go. The ring. Let's go!
Hey, have them sit down. Have a seat next to each other. Bring them in.
I'll start with you.
More. Get your right here.
Get on out with
Come here. They both can stay over here.
They're just warming up.
Alright, let's do it. Nice, sweet jab. Good, move out. Jab again, baby. Good, backhand. Good. Hands up, baby. Jab here. Good, 2 hands. Nice. Jab here. Good, backhand. Ready. 2 punches. Good. What's the jab now, baby? Good. Hands backhand in the edge back, yeah? One, two. Again. Now go. Let's go. 2 punches. Good, nice one. Same again. Good, hands up, come on. Again. Love dog. 2 punches. At the hook. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. Solid. Go. Hey. Let's go. Come on, get it. Yeah. This is your jab. This one. Yeah. Lovely. Kind of like this. Yes. Again. Good. Keep this in. Go. Good. Backhand. Come on. Keep it. Yeah. Jab it. Take pictures. 2 punches. Go. This together. 2. Yes. Go. Get up. That's it. Relax. Shake your shoulders. Shake it out. I said one more. Now to the jab. Good. 2 punches up. Good. Just touch the jab. Touch the back. Touch it. At the back and afterwards. Jab here. 2 punches. Come on, baby. Yes. 2 punches. Nice. Touch it. All right, we won. Ready? He's warm now. Let's do it. Let's go. Yes. And again. Yes. 2 punches. Yes. And again. Yes. This one now. Yes. Together. Yes. Again. Oh. One more time. Yes. One more time. Last one. Yes. One more. Push up. Knock out. Knock out. One more. Nice one. Come on, let's go. Heart rate's up now. Yes. Hey.
Are we ready for we're gonna put the distance on that? Yeah, so the game we're gonna play in real time. 30 seconds, okay? Come on.
Now go. 1, 2.
Bam, bam.
1, 2, 1, 2.
1, 2.
Again?
Yeah.
Go.
Let's go. Wake it up.
1, 2. 1, 2.
You have a go. You have a go. You have a go. Put it under your wrap. Okay. What hand is that? Right hand.
All right, chat. So from here, we're about to test how fast my hands are.
Exactly. Go fast feet.
I'm gonna tell you guys now, I don't really have fast hands.
We'll
They're
see.
just powerful.
Yeah, I hear that.
You know, I'm going for a one-hit kill.
Speed is power, right?
You see how fast I got tired?
Yeah. Well, I hear that though. But you
know,
still have power
I'm not
though.
real
I
boxer.
feel it. I feel it.
I like the power.
Yeah, exactly.
You know?
That's what sells tickets though. The power.
It does.
Yeah, that's what sells tickets in fights.
Good thing we not a professional.
Yeah, I hear that.
Good thing we do this for fun.
But you actually have some fun though. Exactly. You will have some fun. Let's go. All right.
I get these for fun, and you know, one day when I'm blessed to have my beautiful ladies,
Don't punch yet.
my wife and daughter, this is when they come out. Or mom.
I like that for protection.
Other than that, we walk around, we real friendly.
That's the mindset. That's the mindset. I like that. So it's just straight punch as fast as you can, okay?
30 seconds.
30 seconds exactly. Alright, hold on. Has to prep. Hold on.
Hold it back.
It has to be 30. It has to be 30. You'll be fine. Okay, wrap it up. Let's go. Let's go.
Somebody hold it
It's like
back,
this.
right?
Ba.
Somebody hold it back.
You got the sensor. You go first.
I go first.
Nah, he's already got the sensor in his hand. Get ready. Steady. Everyone, let's go. What's he on? Go! 84! Go! Don't quit! 5 seconds left! 3, 2, 1! Warm up, we go again. Alright, go there you go. Okay. 84. There you go. Alright, sweet. There you go next. Yeah, exactly. 84. That's all you have to be. 84.
84. Oh, that's enough.
That's it. Yeah, same here.
What? If I would have kept going, I would have passed out.
You're sweating so hard, man.
Mr. Ray, Move. Excuse me. Yeah, use this one. Okay.
Yeah, I'm sweating a lot, bro.
Right hand. Yeah, right hand. This is Ashton's school. All you're gonna do is beat this, but he's gonna have the second one. He was just warming up. The second.
Hey, no, that was not a warm-up. I'm dead tired.
He said it, I didn't say it. He said it, I didn't
If I would have got to 100, I would have passed out. I'm gonna keep it. If I would have got to 100, I would have fainted.
Yeah, maybe.
I can't faint 10 minutes into the workout. You gotta know your limit.
How many are we again? Hold on. 34, right? 34. I just said 85. I win.
You got it.
85, I'm a winner.
That's what you go. Work smart.
He's gonna give me 120. Minimum.
Yeah, this is for Ashton as well.
Hold on.
Hey, it's good. As fast as you can.
Hey, Corona.
So do you want to get the live?
Right here.
Why don't you just come back to the middle?
Push up.
Push up.
Yeah, push up. Let's do it.
Fight.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Close, right?
Come on, AstonSmall, bro.
Let's do it. Pull it up.
Serious business.
You want it off? He said, okay. He said, no.
Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Let's go now. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Come on, bro. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Keep going. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Come on. 82. Come on.
I was punching it too hard. You gotta. Okay, I got it now.
Speed, right? No power, speed. I'm here for speed, man. I'm here to be fast.
We got a need for speed
man,
today.
this guy, you want to put me into work, man. He should have stopped in 85. He did 84. 85, he stopped.
You gotta go 170.
Exactly. As he was going, he was like, he can do more. No, he can do about up to 200, not 200 actually. Maybe 180. 180. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, both of us, yeah. Really? About 180, yeah.
Oh, both of them? Yeah. He's the best in Africa?
In his weight class, he has a fight coming up end of this month, so we'll find out.
What's his record? Oh, he's never lost?
No, not yet. No.
So the person he's fighting is undefeated as well?
Yeah. So
the light need to blink.
So we'll find out. It's supposed to be the end of this month, but he's actually hurt his hands, so we're going to postpone it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's what I was telling him, the touch.
Yeah.
But here, like, the big thing, we've got loads of fighters.
A lot of fighters?
Yeah.
Chat, we got one of the best boxing gyms in Africa.
We know it, the elite.
What is it? Elite Boxing Club?
Yeah. That's it.
Chat, I learned today, I'm just a beginner. 84?
This guy.
When did Anthony Joshua come in?
Oh yeah, he was here last summer. He came in December, but he had the car accident.
So you saw him before the car accident?
Before, yeah.
Did you see him before his Jake Paul fight?
Which fight?
Jake Paul.
Yeah, before that. Yeah, so before that. Yeah.
He was coming back, but he didn't get a chance to get it.
No, exactly. Yeah, he was coming to see his dad, who was just on the outskirts of Lagos. And then I think that's when it happened.
Really?
Yes, because usually when he's in Lagos, he always pops in, has the session, goes off. Yeah.
Oh, he comes here a lot?
Yeah, when he pops in town.
Like stuff?
Yeah. It's peaceful, yeah. No one disturbs.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
He's from Nigeria.
After.
Hey, he's Nigerian. That's great.
Shall we go?
But he's fighting. He's fighting July 25th.
I know.
I think it's in Saudi. Are you ready?
Go!
Let's go.
Faster.
Yeah.
Yeah. 19,
You're on 19.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14,
You're good.
11, 10.
Come on, boy.
Keep going. 60. Keep going. He got it. Of course. 195.
195?
Yeah.
I got 5 more.
Need to get 5 more. That's how it's done, baby. Yeah.
Real Nigerians.
Yeah. I got 5 more. I'm Nigerian. Come on.